I know a lot of you guys are struggling with animation. For improving your animation, might be you have learned from some institute, from some colleges, from some online courses, and you are practicing every day, but still you are not getting the results, still you are not able to improve your animation quality. Then what do you need to do? So here is a quick tip for all the animators who are willing to start their career, who are willing to start working in animation studios. This is one very important thing for all of you guys to learn, to understand and implement. And what is that one thing? So that one thing is acting. You need to act. You need to act what your scene is. So instead of copying the things, suppose if you have a reference and you just copy the reference as it is in your animation, then you will not learn anything new. What you have to do is, if you have a reference, get the sound and then play the sound, keep on acting on that sound with the same camera angles which you have in your shot. So what will happen is, when you act out multiple times, at certain point of time you will get that acting out of your own. So you will not have to consciously think about the voice, but you will actually act normally on that sound. And when you have that feeling, just see what have you done, just observe what acting have you done for that particular audio, and then implement the same acting into your animation shot. So what will happen is, in this case, your acting will be different from the person who has already animated the shot. So by this way you will have a different approach, you will have a different thing rendered out, and people will love your animation because it's something new, it's not the same what they have already seen. So even if you lack somewhere in the animation principles, it's okay. Please understand, in animation you don't need to follow all the principles. Those are meant for you to improve the visuals. But what is more important than even the principles is your performance. How do you perform? How do you act? What is the intent of your acting? Why are you doing that certain things in your acting? That you need to take care. You need to learn a little bit of acting skills, and that is going to help you to raise your level of animation to the next, and so that you can work for international films. Because in international films they have a approach of performance, not the animation. They will not give you corrections of whether your overlapping is not there, whether your exaggeration is not there. No, that correction is what we do in India. But if you really want to grow, if you really want to get to some good studios, you need to learn the acting, the performance. So this is the one most important tip. Do make sure you observe, you do it, you implement it in your animation shot. That is going to take your animation to the next level. So I hope you like this video. This is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first passion animator mentor, and I will see you again in the next video with some next tips. Thank you for watching.